Tired of your amazing Shopify store living at a hard-to-remember address? Let's fix that by connecting your Namecheap domain in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Namecheap account, find the domain you want to connect to Shopify in your dashboard, and click Manage. Next, navigate to the Advanced DNS Settings. This is where we'll update your domain's records to point to Shopify. Now, let's add in a record, set the host to it, and the value to Shopify's IP address 232,273,865. Make sure to save your changes. Great. Now we need to create a CNAME record, set the host to www and the value to your Shopify store's URL, which should look like your store name. Shopify. Don't forget that dot at the end and save again. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, click Settings, then Domains, and then Connect Existing Domain. Enter your domain name in the provided field and follow Shopify's verification instructions. It might take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate, so be patient. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to your Shopify store, making it easier for customers to find you. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.